Number 1. Like a field. Arahants are like fertile fields. Givers are like the farmers, and what they offer is the seed. The combination of these three will produce a fruit of merit. The seed, the planting of the seed, and the field are helpful to the giver and their departed relatives. The departed relatives experience happiness from the merit, and the givers will receive more merit. By doing wholesome deeds and sharing the merits that they receive with departed relatives, they are reborn in heaven to enjoy the results of their good deeds.